Do this right now if you are participating in the Ari Wallet project to avoid losing your account, because if you mistakenly delete your account or you mistakenly log out, without this thing that I'm about to show you, there's no any other way you can be able to recover your account back. So make sure to watch to the end. And if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel now, because there are a lot of things to learn from this channel. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys step by step how to set this up to avoid losing your Ari Wallet account. So make sure to watch to the end. So first, you head over to your Ari Wallet application, click on the testnet. So as you can see, currently I have 53,000 Ari. Tell me how many Ari token you have in the comment section. So tell me, drop it in the comment section. Let me know how many Ari token you have. So let's get into it. Once you come to your Ari application, click on the three dots at the top here. You can see it, this place, and click on the three dots. So once you click on the three dots, it's going to take you to this place. You are going to see setting, this place, this setting at the top. So you are going to click on the setting. So once you click on the setting, it's going to take you to this place. So what you are going to do next is to click on view master key. This particular one that you are seeing, don't click on change password, just click on view master key. So once you click it, it's going to take you to this place. So this is what you are going to do now. This place, you are going to input your password, the password you use when you are creating the Ari account. So make sure to use the password here. Impute the password. Let me impute my password. After imputing your password, click on the next. So once you click on the next, it's going to take you to this place. So I just blur my own, but you are going to see it here. So make sure to copy it, save it somewhere, copy it and keep it somewhere safe. You can write it down on a paper, you can screenshot it. Just make sure you save. So if you mistakenly log out from this let me say you mistakenly log out from your Ari Wallet, or you mistakenly delete the app, or you forget the password, that is what you use to log in. So without that key, you will not be able to like reset your password or do forgetting password and any other thing. So without having this thing, once you mistakenly delete this app or you mistakenly log out and you don't remember your password, your account is gone. There's no anyhow you are going to recover it back. If you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Share it to your WhatsApp group, share it to your Facebook group, and I will see you in my next post.